Hi there everyone. Today I wanted to talk a little bit, and this is a catchy topic, so just bear with me because everyone else is talking about it and I wanted you to hear my thoughts on it and what we're doing inside our agency. And it's with regards to chatbots, okay? In specifically ManyChat and how we're using it within our agency for lead generation, okay? So for those of you who don't know, haven't seen our stuff before, we're a cost per lead generation agency. So we supply leads to mainly financial services businesses on a cost per lead basis. We generate the leads for 10 bucks, we sell them for 20 bucks, whatever those figures are, but we try and work on a 50% margin. Anyway, there's more than one way to skin a cat. You know, the way that we traditionally do stuff is sending an ad to an advertorial to a landing page, and where after that people become a lead. But what we've been experimenting lately with, and it's taken us a long time to even entertain this, is running a similar type funnel but with ManyChat, okay? And the advantage of ManyChat, there's a few of them, okay? The first one is that once people click on that ad and they enter the ManyChat funnel, then they become essentially a subscriber. So the advantage of that versus our old model is that people would go through our funnel before they either become a lead or they didn't. And if they didn't, then we've lost them, or we can get them back in retargeting, but they're not on our kind of database at that point in time. Whereas with ManyChat, you can write similar ads and send them to a messenger bot service. And if they don't take you up on their initial offer, which is to become a lead, then you can send them information, you know, kind of like an email autoresponder over time, okay? And that's, you know, we're seeing some results from this. We're sending content out. There's some unsubscribes, as you expect, but generally it kind of makes sense to us, and we're investigating further. There's two other things that are quite cool about what we're kind of testing out and running at the moment, and we'll be able to, of course, update you on this as we get more experience and we get better at it. But the other thing is that you can deliver lead magnets to a prospect, okay? So sometimes people aren't ready to become a lead and get a phone call. And also Facebook is tending to steer a little bit clear of, you know, the kind of clickbaity type ads that get people into funnels. So sometimes, you know, you want to be able to consider giving people a lead magnet or giving them some real value before you kind of hit them up and try and, you know, get them to become a lead. And the way to do that via ManyChat or a messenger bot is to be able to deliver that value right inside their messenger app, download or whatever. And you can also integrate people into ActiveCampaign or whatever kind of CRM you're using. So you can say, are you okay to become a subscriber as per our privacy policy? They click yes or no. If they click yes, then they're automatically updated into the CRM using the email address they've got attached to their Facebook campaign. So that can be pretty cool as well, a nice little hack there. And then after they're delivered the lead magnet, you can obviously follow them up later and try and convert them into a lead, which is cool. The final thing, which is quite manual, but on the other hand, when you think about it, it's kind of what chat was designed for, is people crave human interaction, right? Everyone's sick. You know, chatbots work for, you know, a certain amount of time, but people are also becoming wary to kind of artificial intelligence and not being able to speak to a human. So another thing that we're exploring is actually having, you know, my staff sitting there and openly chatting with some of these people that enter this funnel, i.e. human-to-human contact. And we think, and initial indications say that it's looking quite positive and there's really good interaction. So, you know, overall, my conclusion with trying the kind of messenger bot, ManyChat type funnels is that it's looking positive. I can't tell you whether or not it's an absolute winner just yet, but it is something we're trialing, and we think there's some legs. And it goes to show that you need to adapt in the online marketing game, and If you're not doing that, then you should try and give something like this a go, because it's pretty easy to set up. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll speak to you later. Bye.